Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Codemala. Today, we will be discussing Bootstrap 5, one of the most popular front-end frameworks used for building responsive web pages. I'm your host, VJ, and I'm excited to share some interview questions about Bootstrap 5 that will test your knowledge and help you become better acquainted with this powerful tool. Question 1. Q. What is Bootstrap 5? A. Bootstrap 5 is a free and open-source CSS framework that helps developers create responsive and mobile-first web pages quickly and easily. It provides pre-designed components, such as buttons, forms, and grids, along with CSS and JavaScript utilities to streamline web development. Question 2. Q. What are the key differences between Bootstrap 4 and Bootstrap 5? A. Bootstrap 5 has several notable differences compared to Bootstrap 4, including 1. jQuery dependency removed. Bootstrap 5 no longer requires jQuery as a dependency, making it a more lightweight framework. 2. Customizable reset styles. Bootstrap 5 allows developers to choose between CSS resets, such as Normalize or Reboot, during project setup. 3. Utility classes overhaul. Bootstrap 5 has introduced new utility classes and updated existing ones for improved flexibility and customization. 4. New components. Bootstrap 5 has introduced new components, such as the floating labels and off-canvas navigation, that were not available in Bootstrap 4. 5. Improved documentation. Bootstrap 5 has improved documentation with more examples and code snippets for easier reference. Question 3. Q. What are the different types of containers in Bootstrap 5? A. Bootstrap 5 provides three types of containers: container, container fluid, and container XL. 1. Container. This is a fixed-width container with a responsive layout that adjusts its width based on the screen size. 2. Container fluid. This is a full-width container that spans the entire width of the viewport. 3. Container XL. This is a container with an extra large width, intended for use with wide screens or large displays. Question 4. Q. What are utility classes in Bootstrap 5? A. Utility classes in Bootstrap 5 are CSS classes that provide quick and easy ways to apply common styles to elements without writing custom CSS. Some examples of utility classes in Bootstrap 5 include 1. Spacing classes. These classes are used to apply margin and padding to elements, such as M2 for margin and P3 for padding. 2. Text alignment classes. These classes are used to align text within elements, such as text center for center alignment. 3. Display classes. These classes are used to control the visibility and display of elements, such as d_none for hiding an element. 4. Flexbox classes. These classes are used to apply flexbox properties to elements, such as dFlex for creating flex containers. Question 5. Q. What is the purpose of the databs attribute in Bootstrap 5? A. The databs attribute in Bootstrap 5 is used for data-related functionality and options for Bootstrap components. It allows developers to configure the behavior of Bootstrap components using data attributes instead of JavaScript code. For example, you can use databs toggle to specify the type of toggle behavior for a Bootstrap dropdown or modal. Question 6. Q. How do you create a responsive navbar in Bootstrap 5? A. In Bootstrap 5, you can create a responsive navbar using the navbar class along with other classes for styling and layout. Here's an example of a responsive